I think how important it is to know your astrology and what's going on with the planets. And today I had a session with Tarit, someone I met at Pachamama, an incredible man. And he was just explaining me that the last 5 years I had Jupiter in my planet, and it's basically shadowed my sun and my Mercury, with its communication. And sun is about being in the world and shining like a sun. And it's really been very, very challenging 5 years for me. And it was like so on to actually be acknowledged and to know what was going on, but yet how I was able to use this dark dungeon time in my life and still make it sexy and still make it fun and still make it light. And I think that it doesn't mean that we go through a hard time in life, and Jupiter can bring you challenges with disease, or it can bring you challenges to sort of really kill your ego. For me, it was very much the last 5 years, and like every part of my life being challenged, the relationship, the health, being in a world and really being shy about and uncomfortable about, what I'm going through. Because when you go through a hard time, it's so hard to use social media and to actually share when when it's not that glory. But yet I feel that this is really the time when it humbled me and really, allowed me to see that people are going through a hard time. So I can, become a better coach. I can become a better teacher. So I can, not when I see opportunities, appreciate it and be grateful for them. So, if we turn the hard time into, a little sexy, I think it makes things a little bit lighter. And I'm working right now with Erica to create a workshop around it, how to reinvent yourself when the times are really challenging and you have to go in to use that time to maybe write a book like I've been doing, or maybe develop a product that in 5 years or in 2 years or in 4 months will actually develop into something. So turning the difficult, challenging time into a time where you can actually reinvent yourself. So stay tuned for the workshop. And also if you have any question, you can send me a message, and you can also do one-on-one with me, how to reinvent yourself. Namaste.